darlings. I'm out in my garden at the moment. The roses have all finished and I'm wanting something to put into my vase on the table, because you've got to have greenery and flowers in the house. It just makes you feel happy, and everything's about making you feel happy. So I'm out in the garden, I'm looking around for inspiration, and I've seen something that I think will look marvellous in a vase. It's Easter week now, so I'm looking forward to having the children for Easter next weekend. Simone's going to help me, we're going to be cooking, and you know, I'm put on a nice spread, and that'll be lovely. And now that it's coming into Easter, you know, the seasons are changing, everything's changing, and I'm thinking, yes, let's go with him, change, let's embrace the change. So here I go, I've spotted something that I think will look wonderful in a vase. See what you think. Little treasures, isn't that the truth? So basically anything that's growing over, I'm trying to trim off, because this will be dying back really soon, and it's dying back now, but it's so beautiful, autumn colours. Magic. Another thing I do is I always cook my eggshells in the oven and break them up, and then I put them on the garden. They deter snails, and they're a natural alternative for that. But also they release nutrients back into the soil. So I'm all for that. So I'm going to do that now too. These are all sprouting again. This makes me so happy. My brother bought me this tea set for my 40th birthday, and here I am into my mid-60s and I'm still using it every day. I don't have sugar, but I like to sit it there because it looks good. Lucy wants me to play ball. What else is new? a lot to be said for just sitting in nature, looking at the leaves on the trees and just amazing as to how they're here. Looking at the birds, it's so peaceful. It's my kind of eyes open meditation. That's what the garden gives to me. Do you have a garden? I love gardens. Please leave a comment if you have a garden and if you like your garden. I hope you get to have a cup of tea in your garden, wherever you are. I want to see if you can see what I can see. There's this gorgeous little flower there that's come up. Up in the gravel. So as you can see, Bert knows which tools to use for the job. That's what happens with years and years of experience. Look at that. Who would have thought a long-handled shovel had two uses? So we're going to clean this eyesore up. Well, Bert's going to do it. I'm going to give him lots of coffee and cake. Yoo-hoo! Watch out for my beautiful plant, my darling.
Care factor. I'm watching my head.
What's the view like up there, darling?
Hey?
What's the view like up there?
You're not bad.
Yeah?
You're in the neighbour's fence.
It's Ray Modi's grass.
Sorry?
It's Ray Modi's grass.
No. Beautiful daisies.
Oh, lovely. I think this has been on and up for probably 30 odd years. Wow. Thank you, darling. Looking good. Half an hour till news time. So I'm just wondering, did you enjoy the video this week of me finding some different kind of greenery for my house? It was a little bit different to roses, and I've had roses for so long now that I don't know how I'm going to cope with them not being in flower, because roses are wonderful. They flower for 9 months of the year. So, but anyway, it's getting to that time where they're finishing off. So I'll have to use leaves and just whatever else I can. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope that you've enjoyed just a little peek into my life this week. And next week I'm going to be uploading one about Easter. I've got all the family coming for lunch and we are looking so forward to it. So it will be wonderful. So I'm sending lots of love and lots of blessings to you wherever you are in the world. Please leave me a comment, even if it's just a little dot or something, just so I know that people are actually watching. So thank you, darlings, lots of love, and please stay happy, because it's so important for our mental well-being to be happy. So thank you, darlings, lots of love and blessings from Tammy and Bert.